AI Builder. Now, this is one of my favorite parts of Power Automate, and it definitely helps save so much time because it helps integrate AI inside of our automations. Remember when we were talking about intelligent automation and we said that part of the automation is done in a repeated way or in a manual way, and the other part is automated in a cognitive way. And if we automate both of the two things, we can truly automate processes in its entirety. So AI capabilities have been included inside of Power Automate Flow, and that is found inside of the AI Builder. If we go to the AI Builder and we go inside of the build capabilities, we have the ability to use right out of the box already a couple of great AI tools that can help us save a lot of time. So let's go through a couple of these and understand how we can utilize them. So we have the business card reader. This is going to read the context of a business card, and it will interpret the results and give them to us via a text inside of a text, so that we can scan, if we wanted, all of the business cards that we have. We have category classification. So this is going to allow us to classify, for example, feedback from user and group it inside of positive feedback and negative feedback. So we could also do it on customer reviews. So we can group a bunch of customer reviews and we can run this model on top of them and understand what are the different customer reviews saying about our product, and group the good ones into good and the bad ones into bad. We have entity extractions. So this, if we have pieces of text that we have or email or whatever content, we can run it directly through this and we can extract automatically people, places, locations, and so on. And that is great if we're trying to find certain details and informations inside of documents. Identity document reader. Let's say we need a authentication to our website by that we need to read a passport or an ID from a customer. We can scan hundreds of documents on the fly and extract the information from these documents using the identity document reader. The invoice processing, and we're going to see this in this process, this is going to allow us to extract information from invoices. So let's say we receive different invoices from our suppliers every month or every week or whenever, and we need to copy this information inside of our systems. We can use the invoice processing to do that. We can extract that information automatically, save it inside of an Excel sheet, send emails, send notifications, update data, and so on. Power Automate Flow is truly great for automation. Key phrase extraction. So this will extract key moments or key entities inside of phrases so that we understand more or less the context of what is happening. Language detection, and this is useful when we try to understand when we try to group user feedback, for example, coming from different countries, and we want to detect the text, so we can use language detection. Also, if we want to make sure before using, for example, a language translation option, we can use language detection to make sure which language we are translating. Receipt processing, this is an amazing feature. This allows us to extract information from scanned receipts and use them inside of our flows. We're going to see this example as well. We have sentiment analysis, and pretty much everybody knows what sentiment analysis is, but we're going to use this as well. We also have text recognition, which is a great feature, and this can help us extract text from different images that we have. Now, all of this can be integrated with a click of a button inside of our flows, just by using it inside of a flow or using it inside of an app. On the upper side of the screen, we have the ability to customize and build custom models. So if we wanted to build a category classification, entity, form processing, or prediction custom model, we can. We don't need to use the one straight out of the box that has been trained already by Microsoft, but we can customize one ourselves. So we're going to see how we can do this for form processing. For example, we're going to train it on different invoices and extract different information from different invoices. So that's how we can use these different category classification, entity extraction, form processing, and prediction. All of this is utilized and deployed automatically on Microsoft Power Automate environment. Therefore, you don't need any hosting options, any code. You don't need to be a machine learning expert. You just need to know how the methodology of using this tool works, and what the best practices and approach to using it is. So in a nutshell, that's what Microsoft Power Automate AI Builder is, and that's what's going to allow us to do. Now let's jump right into it and let's build a AI powered flow process.